Hello everybody, welcome back to the railway, and today we're going to be doing another bit of Engage with our first loco. It's Graham Farish, before they became part of Batman's stuff, so we will be unboxing it today. Let's get to it. So the Graham Farish things are very good. They are just like Batman's things before they came back with. So this is general purpose tank LMS maroon, which I'm sure someone is saying is what they think the type of engine is. I'm going to say it's probably a Jinty, but let's see. So they've got this sort of packaging. It's just the plastic packaging. Here it is. Look at how small it is in my hands compared to a 00 gauge truck. So there's an N gauge engine and there's a 00 gauge truck. I will just give this a run later, so that'll do. So here it is. It is absolutely tiny. Now this came with a job lot of N gauge we got from someone. A completely finished layout was to come, and all we're going to do is buy some more cars and people to put on it. Now, I am going to stick some videos of it running with another engine on. At the end, so you can see it running, or the other one on running, whatever it is, and we can get started. And then we can get going with the next things after this video, probably next week, because I haven't got much time. It is Sunday, so, and I'll tell you the time. It's about 3:30 at the moment, so I'm filming it in the right light. Shall I actually do that? Does that help anybody? It helps that. It'll help me with it. So let's just get that right. I'm gonna put my hands to make sure you can see it. There we are. That's better. Now I hold it up to the light, and I bring the camera up. It looks nice, doesn't it? If I bring it back down, it goes dark again. Now it's number 16389. It's an LMS thing. It's got its whistle, and you can see the motor in there. And I'm not sure. I think it says a 5-pole. I don't really know that because I'm not going to investigate in there until later. So hopefully you've had a good time, and I will see you very soon. Cheers, everybody.